Did you know that this small, pungent bulb sitting in your kitchen could be one of the most powerful foods for your health? That's right, garlic isn't just for flavor, it's a natural superfood packed with incredible benefits. First up, garlic is an immunity powerhouse. Studies show that garlic can stimulate white blood cells, helping your body fight off viruses, bacteria, and infections. Especially during cold and flu season, including garlic in your meals can give your immune system the extra boost it needs. Did you know garlic is heart-friendly too? Regular garlic consumption can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. It contains compounds like allicin, which are believed to help relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Garlic is packed with antioxidants, which fight oxidative stress and help prevent cell damage. This not only supports healthy aging but may also protect against certain chronic diseases. Antioxidants in garlic have even been linked to improved brain health and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Garlic isn't just great for your immune system and heart, it's a natural detoxifier. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support liver function, helping your body remove toxins more efficiently. Adding garlic to your diet can boost your liver health and keep your body's natural detox pathways working smoothly. Garlic has natural antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. This makes it effective in fighting infections and reducing inflammation in the body. Some studies even suggest garlic can help manage inflammatory conditions like arthritis and digestive issues. Incorporating garlic into your daily life is easier than you think. From soups and sauces to roasted vegetables and salad dressings, garlic can add flavor and health benefits to almost any dish. Remember, raw garlic has the highest allicin content, so try to use it fresh when possible. While garlic is amazing, moderation is key. Eating too much raw garlic can sometimes upset your stomach or cause bad breath. If you're on blood-thinning medication, consult your doctor before increasing your garlic intake. And always store garlic in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a natural superfood that can improve your immunity, heart health, liver function, and more. So next time you cook, remember, a little garlic goes a long way for your health. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this with a friend who loves cooking. Don't forget to comment below your favorite way to use garlic.